Hey everybody, welcome to my kitchen here in Hua Hin, Thailand. Tonight I'm going to be cooking for the very first time chicken and cashew on white rice. So let's give this a try, it's my first time. First thing I got to do is I have raw cashews, which we need to toast up a little bit. I know there's a recipe for this, but I'm just going to add a bunch because I like a bunch. I'm gonna let that toast up a bit. Okay, the cashews are toasting up really quick, starting to get a little brown. I gotta get these off the heat so they don't burn. Cashews are out of the pan, so let's add the minced shallots, some of the green onion, and the garlic. Stir up a little bit. I know from experience with cooking a lot of Italian back home in the US, you don't want to put the fresh garlic in too high a heat for too long, because if it burns, it's going to turn bitter. So we just want to get a nice saute on that. Alrighty. Now, I have 2 chicken breasts I cut up here, pounded, tenderized, and we're going to add that. Let that going. It is starting to cook here. So at this point I'm gonna add some sliced carrot. And then now we have washed these in hot water, soap, because I do not want to, because I mixed raw chicken with them earlier. Now the chicken is almost cooked, so I washed them because I don't want to contaminate things. I'm really cautious on contamination. Okay, now I'm going to add some cut up red bell pepper. All right, let's add the sauce now. Smells really good. All right, now we're going to add the cashews. And the green onion. All right, let's try this out. Cook some rice. Put this. And put some green onion. It's ready to go. Let's give this a try. Little chicken, some cashews, some pepper. Mmm. Mmm. That's delicious. Mmm. I don't have a recipe really. I kind of read a recipe and went from there. Because being in our new house, I don't have measuring cups, I don't have measuring spoons. So I kind of eyeballed everything. It turned out great. Thanks for joining.